Hey John, so the problem is we have to map Stacy into a LACRM user ID. And right now that table is hard-coded into the file for the LACRM interface. I'm going to pull it out of hard coding and make it a global repeater field so we can populate it easily from the back end. So I'll be able to transfer over all the existing users. What I can't figure out is, with one exception, how do we find that user ID? Do you remember how we got it? Because if we go in and we edit this, it doesn't open a new page, so there's nothing in a URL. I've scanned through this and I don't see any indication of the user ID. So do you remember where we found it? The other thing that might be what we did, and I'm going to try that again here in just a second, is using the API to go query the users and bring back their user ID. So that's what I'm going to go try right now. That may be the only way that we can get it. If you can find it any other way, let me know how that is, and we'll have to sort of remember that for later. So I'm going to send this to you. I've got about 15 minutes more of work tonight, so if I don't get this finished, I know what the problem is, and we'll be able to knock it out as soon as we can figure out what Stacy's user ID is over on LACRM.